All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating blueprint on how artificial intelligence has completely revolutionized the social media marketing agency. We're looking at a system that actually allows a single person to scale up to 1 lakh rupees a month. And honestly, the best part, it requires absolutely zero upfront investment. You know that old myth that you need a ton of cash and overhead to start an agency? Yeah, we're busting that right now. Just a couple of years ago, say back in 2024, you needed a team of 3 or 4 people, physical office space, and all those expensive paid tool subscriptions. And even then, you weren't guaranteed a single client. But with the 2026 AI agency model, one person armed with just a laptop and the right free AI tools can literally accomplish what an entire team used to do. To put this massive opportunity into perspective, just look at this number. 80 million. That's the estimated number of small businesses in India right now. We're talking local clinics, neighborhood cafes, coaching centers, salons. These business owners absolutely do not have the time to handle social media themselves, and they definitely don't have the budget to hire a massive traditional agency. But they desperately need someone affordable to manage their digital presence for, around 5 to 15,000 rupees a month. So here's our 6-step roadmap for today. We'll cover the one-person agency model, choosing your profitable niche, the free AI tool stack, building a dummy portfolio, pricing, and the 1 lakh math, and finally, winning clients and delivery. Okay, starting with step 1, the one-person agency model. It's low cost, high margin, and highly scalable. Look, the biggest rookie mistake people make is trying to be everything to everyone. Don't do it. Instead, the smart play is to provide just these 3 highly automatable core services. First, monthly content creation, meaning you deliver about 15 to 20 posts or reels. Second, caption writing that's enriched with targeted hashtags and clear calls to action. And third, basic community management, just replying to likes, comments, and DMs. You offer this tight package to small businesses for a very affordable monthly fee and use AI on the back end to reduce your own time and effort by up to 80%. Moving right along to step 2, choosing your profitable niche. Because specificity builds trust and stronger pitches. So why is picking a highly specific niche so crucial? Well, think about it. If you pitch a cafe owner and your entire portfolio is just packed with amazing cafe content, they're gonna trust you instantly. According to the Source Blueprint, these are the top 5 proven, high-performing niches right now that are actively looking for streamlined social media help. If you pick just one of these to start, your pitch becomes incredibly strong. Step 3 is where the magic happens. The free AI tool stack. Think of this as your zero-budget automated team. You can literally build a complete tech stack for exactly 0 rupees today. Need strategy and ideas? Just fire up ChatGPT or Claude. You can ask for a 30-day content calendar for a gym targeting college students, and boom, it's done in 2 minutes. For design, Canva's free plan with its built-in AI features is an absolute powerhouse. For reel editing, CapCut is fantastic for auto captions and trending templates. For scheduling, Meta Business Suite handles your Facebook and Instagram for free. And for hashtags, a quick AI prompt or the Hashtag Expert app does the trick. Basically, you have absolutely 0 excuses here. Oh, and here is a massive pro tip you absolutely need to use. Always create a brand voice document. Just jot down if your client's vibe is funny, highly professional, super motivational, whatever it is. When you feed that document into ChatGPT every single time you generate a caption, it guarantees the output matches their unique identity perfectly. It literally makes your results 10 times better. Now for step 4, building a dummy portfolio. This solves the I have no experience problem completely. Seriously, what if you're starting from absolute scratch? No clients? No problem. You don't actually need real clients to prove you have real skills. Just invent a dummy brand. Make up a fictional cafe named Chai Chalk, for example. Then whip up 10 high-quality posts on Canva, use AI to write 5 killer captions, and map out 2 or 3 real concepts. Put all of this perfectly into a Google Drive folder or a Notion page. Just like that, you've got a high-quality digital portfolio to show real businesses. You can even offer a free week of service to a local shop in exchange for a powerful testimonial to get things rolling. Let's move on to step 5. Pricing and the 1 lakh math, setting grounded, realistic revenue targets. The sweet spot here is structuring your offers into 3 very clear tiers. Your starter package sits between 5 and 8,000 rupees a month, which is perfect for small local shops or solo tutors. Then you have the growth package between 10 and 15,000, which adds more reels and analytics, ideal for restaurants and clinics. And finally, your premium package, running 20 to 30,000 rupees, is for those serious businesses that might want paid ads management or weekly strategy calls. And here is where the math gets incredibly exciting. Hitting 1 lakh a month is super realistic. If you sign just 8 to 10 clients on that middle growth package, say averaging $12,000 a month, you've already crossed the 1 lakh milestone. And because your AI tools are automating like 70 to 80% of the heavy lifting, you, as a single person, can comfortably manage those 8 to 10 clients without completely burning out. Finally, step 6, winning clients and delivery. How to handle acquisition and retain your portfolio. The absolute fastest way to get the ball rolling is direct Instagram outreach, but you've got to use this specific formula. First, find local businesses in your niche with weak or inconsistent Instagram pages. Send them a DM, but, and this is key, start with a genuine compliment about their brand. Then, gently point out an observation like, hey, I notice you have a great space, but your posting is a bit inconsistent. Finally, offer them a completely free 7-day content plan. Don't be pushy, you're just offering upfront value. If you send 50 of these, I promise you, you will get replies, book calls, and convert clients. But definitely don't just stop at cold outreach. You want inbound leads too. Start your own Instagram page sharing specific tips for your niche. Tap into your local network by joining WhatsApp business groups or BNI chapters because word of mouth is huge. And definitely leverage freelance platforms. List your starter services on Fiverr, Upwork, or local platforms like Pepper Content and Tooler. The trick is to start at a lower rate just to rack up those 5-star reviews, and then you raise your prices. Okay, so once you land these clients, how do you avoid total chaos? You have to implement a strict monthly delivery timeline. Week 1 is purely for building that AI content calendar and getting the client's sign-off. Weeks 2 and 3 are blocked out for creating, shooting, editing, and scheduling the content. Then, week 4 is for reviewing analytics and sending a clean, simple report. To keep it all organized, the source highly recommends using Notion or Google Sheets as your CRM, and setting up a dedicated WhatsApp group for each client to keep communication crisp. Now, if you're looking at all this and still feeling a little hesitant, the source offers some great advice. If you get the theory but lack real-world confidence, look into specialized skill upgrading. Programs like WS Cube Tech's AI Infusion Digital Marketing course give you over 24 live projects and case studies from massive brands like Swiggy and Nika. It's a fantastic, structured way to rapidly build your baseline confidence and really master these AI tools before you fly totally solo. So, there you have it. Let's be super clear, this isn't some magical get-rich-quick scheme. It takes initial hustle, serious consistency, and actually delivering real value. But you now have the exact step-by-step AI blueprint right from the source to hit that 1 lakh a month mark. The path is literally laid out right in front of you. So my final question for you is, which local business niche are you going to approach with your new dummy portfolio first?